We have an update coming in on Saif Ali Khan's attack case. The Mumbai police likely to recreate the crime scene as well at the residence in Bandra, while actor Saif Ali Khan, also recovering from injuries, is likely to be discharged soon. According to an official with the Mumbai police, they'll likely take Shehzad Shariful Islam to the actor's residence in the building where they'll attempt to recreate the crime scene. Remember, the accused in this high-profile case, according to the police, has turned out to be a 30-year-old Bangladeshi national, arrested in the morning from adjoining Thane, where he was residing with a changed identity. A court here has remanded the man in police custody at least for the next 5 days. So police basically has 5 days to try and figure out and put a timeline and modus operandi together of what exactly happened. According to the police officials, and the sources are saying that Shehzad sneaked into Bollywood star's apartment in the early hours of January 16th with the intention of theft. Let me go across to Bhavna Agarwal and Omkar Wable joining us for the latest on that. Omkar, I'll first come to you. There were a lot of identities that were coming up. What helped the Mumbai police confirm this is the one? And there are a lot of layers coming to him that he is a Bangladeshi national. What about the modus operandi, intention? Take us through what you're hearing.
Well, exactly. Look, investigative agencies finally caught him yesterday. Since 16th of January, they were trying to hunt him down. But the issue is still there about his identity. So when they got to know from the primary sources that he is a Bangladeshi, so the question arises how he infiltrated the country, and then how he entered in the Saif Ali Khan's house. I'm exactly standing in front of Saif Ali Khan's penthouse located in the Bandra. This is Satguru Saran Society. Saif Ali Khan stays upstairs. Even now his wife is there, and after some time she'll go to meet him at the Lilavati hospital. But back to the investigation. So now, since the beginning, police were trying to interrogate him, and he was manipulating with the facts. So since the beginning he was telling his name like Bijay Das, and later on he changed his name, the initials also. So that is why question arises how he entered in the house, and from which country he belonged to. So that is why investigation agencies wanted more buffering time to interrogate him further. Finally he got police custody of 5 days, but the question remains same, how he entered in this premises, and how he attacked the Saif Ali Khan. So now, statement of Saif Ali Khan, the first statement which recorded by the local crime branch, and the second statement of the accused, they both will be matched, and then police will check what are the facts, and they'll again interrogate the accused.
Will be tracking the latest on what precisely the investigation is going to be. As he says, there could be a recreation of the crime scene. This is part of protocol to help understand what exactly happened. How did he go up and then manage to come down without being noticed? Remember, it's been 4 days. The actor is likely to be discharged from the hospital in a short while, and as he recovers from injury, but there will be, of course, a bed rest advised to him. His sister, actor Sohale Khan, has given an update meanwhile on the health, that he's recovering well, and that she feels very blessed and grateful that it did not turn any worse. According to the investigation by Mumbai police, attacker Shariful Islam Shehzad slept at a bus stand in Bandra till 7 a.m. Investigation reveals that Shariful is a Bangladeshi national, entered into India illegally. Mumbai police has revealed that the attacker was staying in India using many fake identities, including one of Vijay Das in Thane.
2025 को रात में 2 बजे बांद्रा पुलिस स्टेशन की हद्दी में अभिनेता श्री सैफ अली खान इनके घर पर जबरी चोरी के उद्देश्य से उन पर हमला हुआ था। उस कारण से बांद्रा पुलिस स्टेशन में गुना दाखिल किया गया है, और एक आरोपी को उसमें अरेस्ट किया गया है। आरोपी का नाम मोहम्मद शरीफुल इस्लाम शहजाद है।
So now joining me in this telecast is my colleague Bhavna Agarwal. Bhavna, you've been, I'm sure, getting reactions from the film industry. Over the past 4 days, what have you seen around you as Omkar tracks the investigation? Tell us more about, one, that he's likely to leave the hospital, what happens thereon. A lot of celebrities would be waiting to meet him, possibly who are friends and family.
Absolutely, Pooja. From what we know, as per the last briefing that happened at the hospital, it was told that he will be discharged in 2 or 3 days if he feels okay. So, as per what we know, he might be discharged this evening or tomorrow latest. After he goes home, of course, we are also waiting for the police to record his statement. Remember, his statement has not been recorded as yet. Also, bed advice for a week or two has been already been given to Saif. So, it is unlikely that a lot of people would be allowed to meet him to avoid any infection, as informed at the press briefing on Friday. There has been no press briefing since then, so all we know from the hospital is that Saif is doing well, but he's advised 1 or 2 week bed advice at the moment. And also a lot of people have been told to not meet him in person to avoid any infection, because remember, he has got his spinal injury has been a little it is taking a little while to recuperate on that end. So definitely that is one of the things. Apart from that, the family members are in and out of the hospital. Karina has been in and out of the hospital, meeting Saif and being with him by his side during this moment. On Sunday, in fact, for the first time, Taimur and Jay were seen entering the hospital and meeting Saif since the incident and the accident happened. Once he's discharged, one can expect a few close family friends to come and meet him. But I don't think a lot of people would be allowed to
Fair
meet him,
enough.
at least
Yes.
for the first 2 weeks, to avoid any infection.
And I'm pretty sure that ever since what has happened in the past few days, they'll want to, in fact, ensure that the family right now have their space and their privacy, and would just want to deal and heal with what exactly unfolded. What a nightmare this has been for the Khan Kapoor family. For now, he's recovering, likely to be discharged soon. We'll be tracking that and more. A fresh update from the hospital is expected.